How to see all participants in Google Meet Grid View. So if you want to see all of your participants in Google Meet Grid View, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Google Meet, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you need to go with a meeting. I'll just simply go and start a meeting. Now, once you're on your meeting, if you want to see all participants in Google Meet using Grid View, then first you need to start by joining or starting a meeting on your Google Meet. And once you're here, look for the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on it and then click on Change Layout if you have Change Layout option. Or if you don't find Change Layout, you can go with Adjust View. And here you will have the grid option. Choose the tiled option or the grid option. This is the Google Meet's built-in grid view. It shows multiple participants on your screen at the same time. The layout will automatically adjust based on how many people are in the meeting. You can also drag the slider to control how many tiles you want to see on your screen or on your mobile. The grid view is limited on your mobile. You may need to swipe left or right to view more people. For desktop users, the tile view works best. You'll get a cleaner view of everyone in the meeting at once. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.